Okay, one more time showing you what it looks like when it's done. Now keep in mind, this thing has a flat tire, but it also has a seat on it, which is removable, and wheelie bars. Bolted right up. 24 volt. Matter of fact, I did all of this. Everything's been modified to fit on here. It couldn't fit any perfect. Best design ever. And in here, you lift this flap up and there's two switches down here, and those are to release the motors. Give me your comment. Take the seat off and show you what that looks like. Without a seat.